for you. The world stops spinning, my head is spinning too.
Happy afternoon po and mabuhay. Welcome here at Daitas Trail. In a few minutes po, Daita brother and sister will be perform the traditional dances. Okay po, but before that po, short history lang po about them. Not long before the Americans came here, they converted the whole Subic forest into their own military facilities. Aitas have already been living here in culture preserved and handed down from generation to generation. And that's why here at Subic Safari, we highly regard and revere our Aitas as the true owners of the forest. And indeed, this is their ancestral land po. Okay po, for the first dance is the dragonfly dance or sayaw po ng tutubi. Whenever they see a group of dragonflies swarming around, this is as indicate the arrival of the rainy season. So already when the season comes, the planting season, that informing the other tribe of the whole tribe about the sudden changes of the weather. Once again po, the dragonfly dance. And for the next dance naman po is monkey dance or sayaw po ng unggoy. They do believe that monkeys are great hunters in the wild and no other animal can match the skill of monkey in terms of hunting and foraging. Once again po, the monkey dance. Yan. Kape. Kape pa. Okay po, for the third dance po is war dance or sayaw po ng pagbabayani. Whenever misunderstanding arises in between two tribes, I usually send their young men to the actual battlefield. But before that, first perform this dance to ask guidance from our god called Apo na Malyari to lead them to be a victorious fight or somehow solve the problem in a peaceful manner. Once again po, the war dance.
Be prepared.
Murado ka dyan.
Okay po, that's the end of humble presentation po from our brother and sister. And if you want a group picture po, dito na lang po sa my front po. And if you wanna donate po the donation box, any amount naman po is highly appreciated. Thank you po.